People from China forward company. Welcome to join Fixin. This is a training center.
Because of our Chinese friends and China Bangladeshi. Okay. And Fixin and forward. Friends.
Two paths meeting on the horizon line, a different way to make the vision shine. Fixin handles the pieces, the nuts and the gears. Forward sets the target, erasing all the fears. It's a rhythm of purpose, a synchronized beat, turning the struggle into a brand new feat. Oh, Fixin and forward, standing side by side, walking the road with nothing to hide. When one finds a challenge, the other finds the way, building the future, starting today. Hand in hand, in the work we do, the strongest bond is a friendship.
Who is the friend of Fixin?
Fixin Technical Training Institute.